made these extra tough steps for the step side because I hate it when you go to step on the step and you're wondering, is this going to hold me or am I going to bend something up? And so I made these mounts and I just welded them straight to the frame, which I'm now kind of regretting. Somewhere along the lines it took a hit. Now it's like in and up. Maybe while we were sandblasting or painting the frame or something, it doesn't matter. So I got this super solid piece of stock here. We're gonna see if that's enough leverage to bend it back. You can see it kind of puckered the frame, and that's right where it bent. It didn't bend the tube or nothing. We might need some heat. Beauty of that is we're right next to the fuel lines and the freshly painted cab. If I can get some more leverage on it. I'm kind of stuck between the desk and the truck to put a longer bar on there. I'm just gonna have to get some heat on there. There's no other way around it. So also have the fuel lines right there, literally right next to where I'm trying to work. I can get it to move around a little bit, but it's springing.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
I got some old gloves down there covering up fuel line and stuff. It's a good idea to keep those old gloves around. They work good for if you got a painted frame and you want to put them on the jack stands or the jack, or if you want to protect yourself from blowing up. If I blow up, tell my dog I love it. Seemed to actually work a little bit. Yeah, that worked a lot. That's the trouble with steel, is it has that spring to it, and it's easy to get most of it, but it's that last little bit that tends to really give you trouble. Seems like it's high. Give it another go, I guess.
That was just the weirdest thing to walk into.
You ever walk in on anything inappropriate?
Yeah, it was a little unsettling, I'm not gonna lie.
So I got her step on, and it lines up with the bottom once again. Still most definitely be going to do some adjustments there, but we kind of have a lot of adjustments to do here. Got our hinges in for our tailgate. They were kind of a bear, had to restore them. This one's a giant like slug, and it had the bolt broke off in it, so I had to extract that and all that jazz. I'm starting to mark out some of our dents and stuff with the fact that with the aftermarket stuff. mark and spot welds I want to clean up. Same kind of stuff on this side, you know. So that's kind of what I'm seeing with the aftermarket fender. Since we did roll this one out for to go over the spring hanger, I did have to cut a little cut in the fender there, and we'll recap that when I get that a little better set. Kind of a milestone on this, we got the door latches on and the hood latch. We were finally ready for that to happen, and everything's lining up pretty good. There's some stuff I'd like to change and stuff I did cut apart and stuff to make it fit the cowl more correct and fit the front more correct, and for some reason after you get it all said and done, there's still more things that could have been better, but you just for some reason when you take a panel off and put it back on, it's just not the same. So, but it's coming along. It's nice to see the doors shut, because then the side looks nice, you know. And it's straight as Chuck Norris.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.